Good morning, children. We'll start with the new lesson, that is lesson 19, Human Development. By the name, you can understand human development. That means the development of human beings. The day you are born till you survive on this planet, you keep on developing yourself. But how the life starts and what you all do in between these, the day you are born and the day last you stay on this planet, what changes takes place, that is more important. So change is a rule of life. An infant grows slowly into an adult. From the phase of primitive man has developed into present complicated social arrangement. See, as I told you just, the infant grows, the infant, when the child is born, it's an infant, chota sa balak, and then slowly he turns into a adult. She turns into an adult. From the phase of primitive man, long years ago, our ancestors, and now if you compare, there is a change, there is a development. But now, at present, the situation is the different. The social arrangement is different. Can be complicated also. Social system and economic systems have also developed in different forms. Economics, which developed to maintain a record of economic production and consumption, income and expenditure, and profit and loss, has started becoming a scripture of physical well-being and human development in 60-70 years. See, economics which has developed, economics you all know, the changes around us economically, which gives you the record of production. What is the production, what you consume, what is an income, what is an expenditure, profit or loss. This has become very important in case of human development in a period of 60-70 years. A lot of difference is there in the quality of life of people in different countries of the world. See, there are so many, more than 200 countries are there in the world. All these countries have different life. The quality of life is different. Not only between two countries, but differences is seen even in two regions of a country. In a same country, if you see your own country, as you all know, India is diversified. We always do study that. But real, in fact, there is a difference in two regions of a country also. In order to improve quality of life, there is a need to satisfy basic requirements. First of all, you have to fulfill your basic requirements, which is food, clothing and shelter. Afterwards, immediately after food, clothing and shelter, you need food to eat, you need clothes and you need a shelter. But immediately after that, you have education, very important, health, entertainment, etc. In this chapter, we are going to study about human development and what is the condition of India in Human Development Index. Now, what is the meaning of human development? The term is often used by agencies of media, political leaders, different institutions and government. The term human development is used for expansion of human capacities. That is the capacity of the human. When you say human development means what? The expansion of human capacity. Prevalence of preferences, development of freedom and human right, which indicates many other things like education, health, nutrition and controlling resources. Human development is a process of extending human aspiration and essential subsistence services, UNDP, United Nations Development Program. Human development is a main centered essence in the direction of development. See, when you talk about human development, it is a center. It is very important in the direction of development. The objective of human development is to create same condition for everybody's life, so that people may lead significant and creative life according to their talent. See, every human is full with his own talent. So that talent has to be, which is creative, that has to be used in day-to-day life. And with that talent, if they grow, definitely there will be a development. isn't it? So earlier human development was evaluated, now it has been evaluated on the basis of economic development only. Per capita income was considered as the only measure for human development. All the nations of the world concentrated on the increasing their gross national product, GNP. However, despite achieving economic success, there was no change in the lifestyle and quality of the people. Thus, it would be incorrect to believe that human development can only be achieved by economic development. It is not only due to economic development you can say that there is a human development. What I said, it is incorrect to believe that human development is only achieved by economic development. Economically, if you are developed, it is said that human development has occurred. No, human development is not only related to the income, but it is very important how to use the income. Economically, if you are very strong, but how it is being processed economically, that is more important. So there are 4 important pillars of human development. It should be equal, that is equality, stability, production and empowerment. Human development therefore is getting a opportunity to lead a successful and creative life according to one's own taste, interest, skill, intelligence and capabilities. Now this is what some points are given, which gives you the meaning of human development in different sectors. Ability of human being to lead successful and creative life as per their own interest, abilities and wisdom. अपनी बुद्धि और अपनी एबिलिटी के हिसाब से आप कैसे लाइफ जीते हो, how creative you are, that is one of the meaning. Creative of human capabilities, securing equality and getting an opportunity to select in various field. Man living healthy, fine, fit and long life. Acquiring knowledge through information and education. Getting opportunity for monetary benefits. Natural resources should be available all to improve living standard. How you will improve your living standard? If the resources are available, then only. Qualitative life, better life. Removal of squirrel and improvement of health related. Squirrel, that is unhygienic. There should be hygienic lifestyle. Obtaining personal and social security. Utilizing human rights. Obtaining individual and social security. Human rights are inherent to all the human beings, so to use it. All the human being is having a right of human, that is called as human rights. Human development is related with creation, expansion of many such opportunities. Thus, human life includes peace, economic, social, political and cultural fields. Due to indifference or disgust towards improvement, low aspiration, illiteracy, lack of entrepreneurship, suspicions, superstitions, antiquated, orthodox tradition, which is said to be improper use of natural resources, developing countries have not been able to achieve economic and social development. Now see, human beings, they include what? Economic, social, political and cultural field. These are the things where you require the things in human life. But there is indifferences in these areas, like superstitious, filth, like something is backward thinking, orthodox traditions which are not proper, and not using the natural resources in a proper way. This is the biggest obstacle in the development of the human being, that is economically and social. Now HDI, Human Development Index. The concept of HDI was propounded by Nobel Prize winner, economist of Indian origin, Amartya Sen. See what it has been mentioned. See, first Human Development Report was published in 1990. So you have to remember that who has propounded the HDI? Amartya Sen. And the first report was published in 1990. With their help, since then, under United Nations Development Programme, UNDP, a report is published every year. A worldwide analysis is presented on the basis of development of different nations. Now here in this report, worldwide, the analysis is presented on basis of every nations in various dimensions. The idea of Human Development Index was presented in first report of human development published by United Nations Development Program. The first report UNDP has, in which they have given 3 dimensions. The first was, this is also one of your answer, average age, health, knowledge, and per capita income. Per capita income means how you maintain your standard of living. Now, Human Development Index of any nation is determined on this 3 dimension. This was according to 1990 report. Then comes until 2009, these 3 indicators were determined as according to the HDI, which was prepared by UNDP. Then a new technique is being used after 2009, that is in 2010 it has been changed. The first is Life Expectancy Index, LEI, average age. This is for determining the health and longevity. At the time of birth, the infant, predicting for how many years will the infant survive is known as life expectancy. As I told you in the very beginning, when an infant or a child is born till he survives, the last is known as life expectancy index. So for which the highest is 83.6 years and the lowest is 20 is being set. As per Human Development Report, life expectancy in 2015 was 68 years. Next comes Education Index. Here sub-directions are mean years of schooling, MYS, mean years of schooling. It is the years spent in the school by an adult till the age of 25, by which highest is 13.3 years and the lowest 0 years has been decided. See, mean years of MYS, it is spent in the school by an adult till the age of 25, for which is the highest is set 13.3 years and the lowest 0 years has been decided. So according to Human Development Report 2015, average of schooling in India is 5.4 years. Expected years of schooling, that is EYS, approximately years which is been of a child used, 5 years will spend in school. For this the highest is 18 and the lowest is 0. Average years of schooling index is 11.7 years. Next comes income index, that is the lifestyle. For determining subsistence gross domestic product, per capita, that is GDP, is replaced by gross national income. Now GDP is being replaced by GNI. According to Human Development Report 2015, per capita gross income was $5,497, while per capita gross domestic product was $5,238. Now how it is being done? See, for calculating per capita income of any of the nation's income, if you are calculating our income, so how it has been calculated? It is being calculated on the basis of the currency of United States. That is why we are using here dollars, which is known as purchasing power parity. What it is known as? Purchasing power parity. Now turn to next page 162. Just things to know we will go through. For calculating Human Development Index, highest and lowest value of every criterion is decided. It's a formula, they are using it. Human Development Index is obtained by calculating according to the formula, and it will give you the differences. The differences is useful in comparing human development between various nations. According to the formula, when you are calculating, you will come to know what is the development of that particular nation. So you can compare yourself with the other nations also. Now look here, this is your 3.3 answer, Human Development Report. Since 1990, Human Development Report is published every year. Human Development Index of 188 countries included in Human Development Report in 2015. They have given 188 countries report in 2015, which was divided in 4 sections. Now see, in Norway, 0.944 tops the list. Australia 0.935 is placed on second. Switzerland 0.930 on third. While Asian country Singapore 0.912 is on 11th position. India's with HDI Human Development Index is 0.60, which is 130th position amongst. See, so we are lagging so behind. It means it is included in the category of medium human development countries. In this report, Niger is the bottom of the list, that is on 188th position, 0.348 HDI. If you see this index, just go through it. Highest human development, Norway, Australia, Switzerland, Singapore, Japan, Britain. Medium is Indonesia, Philippines, and India. See. And lowest is Kenya, Pakistan, Nigeria, Zimbabwe. And Human Development Index of India was 0.428 in year 1990 when it was started, the human development. 0.496 in 2000, 0.568 in year, 0.60 in the year 2000, and this is about 215 latest. We don't know, we have to find it out. So thus progressive improvement has been observed. So children, this is your first part which I have explained you 3 pages, 160, 161 and 162. Please go through this, see it nicely, mark the answers which is already been seen in your this, and write down in your notebook. Prepare yourself, read the lesson twice. If you have any difficulty, you are open to ask me. Thank you.